Hey everyone, today we are going to be changing out the air filter in a 2013 Camry. Alright, the tools you'll need for this is really just your bare hands. There's a clip here that you'll unclip. And you lift up. Take the old filter out. There you can kind of see in there how dirty it is. And you're going to replace it with a new one. This is CA 10171. I'll put the link for where I got it in the description. Notice this corner here is square while the others are round. So there's one, as you look in there, that back corner is the one that has the square. So that's where it's gonna go. I usually take a look down in there, and if there's any grass or leaves or anything like that, I usually vacuum that out. And there's really only one way for this to go in. Again, with this back corner back there, just like that. So you pick this up, set it down. Take you here with me. You want to make sure that these right here are under that. Oh, there's two little hooks here on this back. Make sure that they're in there. And then there's no filter showing anywhere around. Kind of have to pull it up just a little bit to get it to go. It's easier with two hands. Just like that. And you've just replaced the air filter. Thanks for watching. Hope this helps.